If you're looking for a new pressure washer, then probably this thing is the one you want. That's the Westinghouse ePX3500 with maximum 2500 PSI. By the way, this is not a sponsored review. We paid full price for this one and we couldn't be more happy with it. Just 2 days ago, my wife has been using this one here for 4 hours to clean our driveway. And what she said is really remarkable. She said she wished the old pressure washer had broke down earlier so we could have bought this one sooner, because this one is absolutely amazing. After the 4 hours, she said that with the old one it took her at least 8 hours to do exactly the same thing as with this one here in 4 hours, because it was so super convenient to just move it around here on these wheels. This is absolutely amazing. By the way, you can also lock them. You can see all of them single ones, and here we have really everything. There's no trick, no choke, no nothing. All the accessories, everything is really here. I don't have to be worried that it's tipping over or so, or it's falling off. I have attached all the holders here. Yeah, take it a little bit closer here to show you. Can see we get 4 attachment holes. We can just slide them in here. One here on top, just slide it in from the side. The other one here on the other side, just slide them in, and one from underneath, just push it up here. Just maybe takes 5 or 10 minutes. This one also from underneath. That's the only thing which is really needed regarding assembly. Everything else works right out of the box. That's the on-off button here. That's the attachment for the pressure washer hose. Watch how nicely we can store also a very long cable. Cable is also longer than with the old one, and we can also store the pressure washer nozzle here, the main device and the front tip, and of course also the tips here in the back. Just have it over it. What's amazing is also this one here, especially for cars, and we have this tank here, which is super easy to open to use if you want to add some detergent. And here's the normal standard 3/4 inch garden hose connector. And something also very important, something which my wife has been saying, that was the first pressure washer which had so low vibration. I don't know how they've been able to do that. It's very convenient to use this handle, by the way, and it has also this integrated lock which you can use. You can see super convenient. Again, I don't know how they have been doing that. We have owned already many pressure washers, but we never had one with such low vibration. Usually when you have the holder here for many hours, then I had some really strange vibration which even continued after stopping to use the pressure washer, and even for a long time. And for the first time with this one here, I didn't have that. That's absolutely amazing. So much more comfortable, and it has still a lot of pressure, lot of power, super convenient to use. And what's also amazing, how compact this is. Usually pressure washers with the same power, they have usually at least double the height, which is then also putting them at high risk for tipping over, especially when we have just 2 of the wheels. And on top of that, this is much easier to carry, much easier to store. We can easily lift this up here with just one hand. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Yeah, for me, it doesn't get any better than that. That's the thing to go. Westinghouse ePX3500. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Definitely worth it. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Westinghouse ePX3500, maybe you are not happy with it, you never know. I mean, experience is totally individually, then just write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.